The magic is gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust? Is someone there? Thomas, is that you?
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas?
Oh, Mr. Conductor, where are you?
Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful now?
Excuse me. Are you Lily?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. I'm Stacy Jones. I'm manager here. Your grandpa's very upset. You must have gotten on the wrong train. I better take you back to Muffle Mountain.
Thank you. Stacy, did you know my grandma?
My mother did. She said Tasha was a wonderful dancer.
I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady.
Lady?
Yes, I heard him say that name when they were talking.
I wish... Oh, never mind.
Turn right here. You can't miss it.
Stacy, I'm a little nervous.
Well, maybe your grandpa is too. It's been a while since you've seen each other.
Thanks a lot.
Hello, Burnett.
Stacy. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa.
Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Thanks, Stacy. Good night.
Stacy.
You said I wish. I wish? Oh, yes. I wish you'd come back and see us tomorrow at shining time. If your grandpa lets you.
Here, Grandpa. This is a friendship bracelet. Grandma taught me how to make one when I was little. This one's for you.
Thank you, Lily.
As the sound of Lady's magic echoed through the night on Muffled Mountain, the engines on Sodor had her very much in their thoughts.
Thomas, I was thinking, how does Mr. Conductor travel here?
By gold dust.
But if there's a lost engine, maybe there's a lost railway, too. Mr. Conductor's railway.
The journey gets bumpier and bumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me.
Oh, he talked about buffers in his sleep. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how he travels here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. Ooh, my wheels are suddenly feeling very wobbly. I think Diesel's around here.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said. I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.
I've been working on the railway all the livelong day. Yeah, who wants to work a livelong day anyway? There he is. Come in, join the party, Splodge.
Hooray, hooray! We're gonna have a party! I love parties! Yeah, who's got the balloons?
What? Correction. Join the party that's over. Just like Twinkle Toes Magic Railway's gonna be over. Gone. Like the lost engine and the buffers that lead to her.
Well, what are you gonna do? Oh, yeah, that's a good question. Yeah.
It's time to finally put Twinkle Toes' lights out.
Oh?
This is a job for the boss!
I've got to delay him. I've got to distract him.
It's the old teapot! Smash him!
Smash him? Push that!
Benji, get back here! Benji, don't make me come up here. I hate it when you do this.
Good show.
Boss, did you mean to let the roof fall in? All the way in?
I always mean what I do, you rattle traps.